everybody, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching your property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by players to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Review category. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us that comment below. We will help you. If you have already shared in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.